Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Fear is good, especially when it is in the minds of those who have been using terrorism as a state policy to bleed India. 470 days after the Indian Air Force destroyed Jaish camps in Balakot, watch how the very thought of a repeat is giving people in Karachi and all over Pakistan sleepless and dark nights.
आप तैयार हो जाए, फिर से मैं कहता हूं कि आपकी ईंट का जवाब हम पत्थर से देंगे और आपको इंशाल्लाह आपको अब वक्त आ गया कि आपको एक सबक सिखाएंगे
301 days back, when the Pakistani Prime Minister tried putting up a brave face before the people of his country on Balakot, he not only shivered but also let out the truth.
हमें इंफॉर्मेशन है और मैंने अपनी उनके साथ हमारी 2 दफ़ा नेशनल सिक्योरिटी मीटिंग हुई है। पाकिस्तानी फ़ौज को पूरी तरह पता है कि इन्होंने प्लान बनाया हुआ है आज़ाद कश्मीर में एक्शन लेने का।
The fear is very much intact. So much so that the very roar of our IAF jets prompted the administration in Pakistan to initiate a blackout. So here's what made Karachi sleepless last night. 3 formations by the Indian Air Force within the limits of our borders from Kutch to Jodhpur spooked the Pakistani Air Force. The hectic PAF activity led to this kind of chatter on the Pakistani Twitterverse, with some journalists saying that for the first time since February 27, 2019, so many PAF jets have patrolled the skies. The Pakistanis won't ever forget the 2019 Balakot airstrikes when we crushed their terror camps with our precision strikes. In 2020, when they tried pushing terrorists into Kashmir by giving them the ceasefire cover fire and funding the proxy war, they should know if they don't stop aiding terror, Balakot 2 might just become a reality. Let's debate.
General Bakshi, Wing Commander Praful Bakshi, GVL Narasimha Rao, our very own Gaurav Arya, Major Gaurav Arya, Mona Alam, Raja Faisal from Islamabad, Brigadier Haris Nawaz and Naseem Siddiqui. Brigadier Haris Nawaz is in Karachi.
Yes.
Gaurav, he didn't sleep last night. He didn't sleep last night.
Don't worry.
He didn't sleep last night.
It was a very sound sleep. It was very sound sleep.
They had a blackout.
Don't worry.
You know what happened is...
Not at all. Who told you?
The blackout, the poor Pakis. The poor Pakistanis the poor Pakistanis freaked out that we are going to attack them again. We will attack you again.
You didn't dare crossing the airspace, so why should we have slept at night?
Why did you black out Karachi last night?
Not at all. Who told you? I am there, for God's sake. Stop this propaganda now, for God's sake.
They blacked out Karachi.
What are you talking about it?
Just now you were saying that I was sleeping. Just now you were saying that you were sleeping.
No.
अभी आप कह रहे थे आप सो रहे हैं, फिर आप कह रहे हैं कि कैसे ब्लैकआउट हो गया? अगर आप सो रहे थे तो आपको कैसे पता ब्लैकआउट हो गया?
I'll tell you. Okay, then Brigadier Nawaz, question for you. Wajad Kazmi, a journalist, says it's probably after 27th February 2019 that this is happening. So many jets patrolling. I hope nothing serious is happening. I hope nothing serious is about to happen. Why was he stressing?
If you tell me, Mr. Nawaz, tell me one thing. If you had the guts to come with your jets, why did they cross our airspace? You didn't have the guts and your pilot patrol sit scared of Pakistan Air Force. They did not. Did you cross airspace? You should have crossed and just said help because they were all ready.
No, but tell me, why was there a blackout? Why was there? Why did Karachi have a blackout last night?
On a family channel, sir. Please.
There was no blackout.
Don't use such language.
Why was there a blackout?
Everything was absolutely fine.
Yeah, you look like that.
Any blackout.
You look like that.
There was no, for God's sake. I mean, I must appreciate the amount
another guy. One second. Another guy. Raja Faisal. Another guy, Waj Khan. Who's this guy? Waj Khan. Some Waj Khan guy. He says, rumors are rife. Wajad Khan, I think his name is Wajad Khan. He says, rumors are right. 1:57 a.m. The poor guy couldn't speak. Asleep. About 2 o'clock in the morning, he tweets. How lovely, Gaurav.
Whose name you are taking and you
Wajad
whose
Khan
name you are
tweets
going
at
to
2
take.
o'clock.
Let me tell you one thing.
1 minute, Raja, wait a
Let me
minute.
tell you
No,
one thing. Last
Wajad
year-
Khan, wait a minute, Raja.
last
Wajad
year-
Khan tweets at 2 o'clock in the morning. What is going on? Rumors are going on about the Indian Air Force. There are reports about the Indian Air Force incursions into Pakistan-administered Kashmir.
There are
and,
so many.
And
there
the
are so
Sindh
many fake
Rajasthan
accounts
border.
which are being run
Recommend,
by
please
RAW,
put out a
which are
statement.
being run by
Please
RAW.
put out a statement.
There are so many fake accounts. Arnab, there are so many fake accounts, and I tell you what. There
And
are so
another
many
guy,
fake
let me
accounts
complete.
Of Indians as well, which are being run
Wajad
by
Khan
us.
has
which are
Wajad
being
Khan
run by
has a
Pakistanis.
proper blue tick
so
account.
let's not. Arnab,
Raja,
Arnab,
suno,
CJ
Raja,
Shivers,
don't spread falsehood
me-
on TV. Wajad Khan is a very, very famous journalist of Pakistan. He was the one who interviewed Sayyid Salahuddin. He was the one who interviewed Pervez Musharraf. And the only similarity between you and Wajad Khan is both of you have no hair.
If you are talking about Wajad
That's all.
as Khan,
Otherwise, he's a very big journalist of Pakistan.
If you are
He's a very
just
big
saying
name
that
in journalism in
if it's
Pakistan.
Wajad
Khan बहुत
any
बड़ा नाम
Wajad
है.
Khan,
So
then-
please don't say
then
it's a
he
fake
could be
account.
anyone.
Please.
Why was he
He could be
panicking?
anyone.
Come on, Raja.
Why
Idhar,
was he
come on.
panicking at 2
anyone.
o'clock in the
And let
morning?
me- let me tell you.
No, why did he
must
say?
tell
Why
us
did he say that
Pakistan
India is
was
going
in a
to
state of
carry out
panic?
incursions?
And why
India
was
is
there
going to
a
attack
blackout in
us.
Karachi?
Please put out a statement.
What you see on social media, it's not news. News is what you create out of it. That's what you're trying to do. And that's what you did last year. Last year you said,
Raja, listen, neither are you great on social media, nor are you great on news. Please don't teach us. Answer the question. Why was there a blackout in Karachi, Raja? Why was there a blackout in Karachi? Why were you shivering in your boots? I want to know, and I also want to know, why are you still shivering in your boots?
And they came to roads. They are valorous.
No, why was there a blackout in Karachi yesterday, Raja? Why was there a blackout in Karachi?
They are Pakistanis.
Why was there a blackout in Karachi yesterday? Why was everybody shivering in Karachi? Why were there a slew of Twitter handles going crazy saying that there is an Indian attack? क्या हुआ? डर लगा?
Well, your problem is you want to shift. You want
क्या हो गया? बताओ ना राजा क्या हो गया?
You want to shift from
राजा
Ladakh
बताओ क्या हो गया? Now
to
you're
the
screaming on
western border of
television.
Pakistan.
Last night you were shivering.
Trying to do.
Raja, you were under your bed. You were shivering under your bed because you thought that the Indian Air Force had come. And I think you are also tweeting for a fake account. Now you're smiling. Now you're smiling, Raja, because you're alive. You're safe. You're well. Now you can smile. But last night, Raja, where were you last night? Were you
Gaurav,
under your bed?
this is so delicious.
ये इससे
Point
पूछो
is,
कहाँ था अर्नब? पूछो इससे कल कहाँ था रात को? ये बिस्तर के नीचे
he was
छुपा हुआ था
panicking,
डर
he
के
was
मारे.
panicking, he was panicking, he was panicking.
Major Gaurav.
No, don't take
He
my
was
name.
panicking.
Don't take my name.
panicking.
Raja, please.
I bring Praful Bakshi into the debate with Naseem Siddiqui from Islamabad.
Last night,
Viewers, I'll tell you before that what the
right.
story was. I'll tell you what happened in case you missed all the fun. Yesterday, late Tuesday night, there was panic and fear over
Viewers, let
Pakistan.
me tell you, it's another
The
lie.
reports, all the
another
Pakistani
lie.
journalists, networks,
Every day there's a new
politicians,
lie.
everybody started saying that there is a big buzz that the latest fighter jets of the Indian Air Force have crossed the line of control and are hovering over the Karachi sky and they're going to bomb Karachi. Right? And
Well,
what
if you
happened
wanna
was,
tweet,
Arey, 1
tweet.
minute, relax.
Let me
yaar.
tell you, there were more
Of course, our
tweets on
planes were
Twitter
flying.
as
We
well.
fly when we
There were
want.
more
We're not
tweets.
bankrupt.
They
We
were
got extra
pointing
fuel.
out that
My
Pakistani
question is,
EAF jets,
viewers, I'll tell you what was the reality. I'll tell you what was the reality. The reality was, and Wing Commander Praful Bakshi, please, on the debate with Naseem Siddiqui. The fact is that there were aircrafts in 3 formations, Mona Alam, from the western sector
Well, we
Sukhoi.
have seen your formations
From the
last
western
time as
sector,
well.
Sukhoi. We're having a lot of fun. Oh, we are having so much fun these days. You see, we've got the largest land force out here, Mona Alam.
When they come
From the
when they
western
come face to
sector,
face,
Sukhoi.
They have nowhere to hide.
Mirages
being
were
by
flying
Pakistan.
over the Kutch and Jodhpur border.
Well,
Well
we know
within
about the
limits.
Mirages. Are they the same
Well within
Mirages
limits,
they got
but
hit?
within a visible distance
Are
of
they the ones?
Karachi. What
Are you
happened
talking about
was
the
Air Marshal
MiG-21s?
Wing Commander Praful
Who knows
Bakshi
better than them?
and Wing Commander Praful Bakshi and Mona Alam, please. So viewers, this is what happened. Western sector Sukhoi Mirages flew over Kutch and Jodhpur border. We didn't cross, but we were within
We
within
love
visible
Sukhois
distance of
and
Karachi.
we love MiGs.
And
Send them more.
and with the
We love
roar of the Indian
We have the
formations,
DNA.
can I have stop irritating me? I mentioned Mona Alam twice with Wing Commander Bakshi. Thank you very much. With the roar of the Indian formations, there was panic over Karachi. Pakistan started scrambling. Karachi went into a blackout. And what is this? We are just flying for fun
only
over the
panic
western
we
border.
can see is in
But why did you,
May
I come
Mona?
in?
Yes,
You
Mona.
want-
Why did you, Mona? Listen,
You want
Mona,
the
listen.
wing commander to speak
Mona,
first.
listen. Mona, listen to me. Fact is that in the middle of all this, there's a Pakistan Air Force F-16 which has not reported back to your base. I'm told that the pilot panicked so much he went straight into the Arabian Sea. This is also a fact.
No,
है ना,
it
Wing
wasn't.
Commander Bakshi?
It wasn't.
So it's craziness.
No, Arnab,
how
it
the way you
wasn't.
guys are reacting
Well-
are like frightened raccoons.
Nobody is
Rabbits.
reacting. You are spooked by our pigeons. You are
Then why did
spooked by
everybody go?
locals
Why
who
was
think
Karachi in
they
a
are
blackout
SI
last night?
agents.
You say
What are you talking about?
Why
Arnab?
why did you black out in Karachi?
That particular F-16 that
Arnab,
you think
Arnab,
or that you're trying to make up
Arnab.
as missing was not being flown by
Then why did you
Abhinandan.
black out in Karachi?
Wing Commander, Mr. Praful, you can go on, please.
I have pictures
and
of the
I'll
blackout
speak
in
right
Karachi.
after.
The pictures are
Because
all
I don't
over.
want
Why
to
did you
get
black
into
out
this
in
frenzy
Karachi
and
last night?
hysteria. I think we should speak turn by turn.
Why did you black out in
Mr.
Karachi?
Praful may speak before me.
No, why did you black out in Karachi? I know you want to avoid my question, but why
There
did
was no blackout in Karachi.
It is all
thank
over.
you very much,
I am a
Mona.
Karachiite
Thank you.
myself.
Mona, you're in Islamabad, Mona. Why are you
No,
lying?
what I'll tell you. Please.
I am a Karachiite, Arnab. Don't you know? I am a
Arnab,
settler in Islamabad.
Arnab,
I am born and
I
bred
They
in
have
Karachi.
got
I am a
memories.
Karachiite
I was
by
just told that
every
you are a
sense of
Muhajir.
the word.
Ar-
Don't. I may be a
Arnab,
Muhajir, but I am
you
a
must
Karachi.
grant them that Karachi has
I
memories.
migrated, being sick
Karachi
of
has memories
atrocities.
of
Sorry, sir.
Karachi has memory of December 71 attack by 6 hunters when they strafed their harbor and their oil tanks, and night attack by the Canberras. So they are used to getting scared. But I think that was not very fair to scare Baba baby log from their sleep. We should have allowed them a nice sleep. You know, if you scare them so much, then the fun is lost. You see, allow them
Why
a
would we be
little,
scared, sir?
because
Don't you remember what happened to
once
Wing
they
Commander
heard the
Abhinandan
fighter.
just 1 year ago?
I can't
Please
hear. I
recall
can't
what
hear.
happened to
Listen,
Wing Commander
what
Abhinandan,
nothing
sir.
happened.
Bring it now.
You must
Yes.
remember what happened to your 93,000 officers.
How your two aircraft were down and you were given
What happened to your first 3 pilots who were shot
What,
down?
You have the guts. Wing Commander, sir, do you have the guts to talk about like this? Send your aircraft cross. You have a day to cross Pakistan airspace. How you've been shot on 27th February 2019.
When you understand, when you understand, this is not the first time Indian Air Force has crossed your border. There are so many times. Please remember, Karachi remembers the 1971 war. Karachi received the first attack by hunters in the daytime at 9:30. And after that, the series of attacks. And of course, the breakup of Pakistan. 95,000 prisoners. What are you talking?
Brigadier Haris
What are
Nawaz.
you talking? Of course.
Brigadier Haris Nawaz, General Bakshi is also
But
on the
you're not
debate.
used to it.
General Bakshi, let's analyze what happened last night. General Bakshi, Brigadier Haris Nawaz denies that Karachi went into a blackout. He himself is in Karachi. Everyone knows what happened in Karachi last night. Would you allow me to ask General Bakshi a question? Sir, you haven't recovered yet, have you? Sir, you haven't recovered yet from last night. General Bakshi is asking. Thank you. General Bakshi, yesterday. Okay, Brigadier Nawaz, can I just have your volume up, but you quiet for a minute, please? Thank you so much. Sir, yesterday the ISI handle, they said they started a hashtag at 2 in the morning. India wants surprise again. And they started saying things like, India is planning another misadventure threatening regional peace. Don't play with fire. Why did they do all that? The only reason I can fathom is they have not got over the psychological impact of Balakot just yet. And I truly believe that honesty is the best policy. And please tell Brigadier Haris Nawaz, sitting there and denying that you shut down a city's lights because you went into a feverish fear over a possible Indian attack is going to do you no good. You're a country of cowards and you displayed it last night. What will you do when we actually enter?
We have talked to 27th February. General Bakshi, I think he has no answer because he knows it. General Bakshi has no answer to the enemy because he knows he's already spoken what has happened by Chinese in
Brigadier Haris Nawaz, you know that you were in Bangladesh in 1971. I don't want to rub the salt. I don't want to rub the salt. Yeah, I will not forget 1971 just because you want to forget it. You were in Bangladesh in 1971. Never forget it. Never forget it, Brigadier Nawaz. I have pictures of you in 1971 in Bangladesh. Yes, General Bakshi.
Thank you.
General Bakshi.
Thank you.
You know, Arnab, the problem is that Pakistan has broken into cold sweat. We have made it very plain to them that please do not mess around, try any high casualty actions in Kashmir, because we will not confine ourselves to consequence management. We will raise costs and consequences for the perpetrators of these attacks. We will strike across the line of control if required, across the international border, to act as a deterrent. Can I just finish, Brigadier Nawaz? Because both of us talk, I will not be able to...
Brigadier Nawaz, I'll come to you. Don't worry. Let General Bakshi finish, then you can respond. Thank you.
You know, so as I was saying,
what is Raja Faisal saying now?
Very plain, very clear. We have not confined it to words, Arnab. We have translated it into action. Post-story, we struck in...
I can't hear.
No problem.
Post-story, we struck at with a surgical strike,
word
and
against China.
that kept you
The only
quiet for the
reason
rest
is that you're scared
2
of
to 3
China.
months.
You can't fight.
When
Because
that
you don't
war
have guts
over,
to
you
fight.
again started
Because you
misbehaving.
cowards. Your army is a coward's
Pulwama,
army.
we hit you with the airstrike.
They can only
Right?
fight
And
people
that
who
airstrike
are armless.
has
People
been
who
a
haven't got
very
armed,
good
who are
deterrent
not trained.
for the
I'm
last
talking
1
about
year
Kashmiris.
plus.
They can only fight
When
with
the
them.
370
They can never
article
fight
was
against
abrogated,
Chinese.
Oh, be quiet.
you did
Be quiet, Raja. Can I replace you, General Bakshi, for a minute because I want to deal with this guy. 1 second. General Gaurav and I will deal with him right now. Gaurav, you and me on one side and these Pakistanis on the other. The question is, Gaurav, the fact is that a year after our Balakot strike, it is keeping Pakistan awake at night. It shows that we have hit Pakistan where it hurts. Your army immediately resorted to carrying out sorties and war games with aircraft drills, with rumors of the Indian Air Force in your territory. Isn't it clear that our Balakot strike with a Spice 2000 missile that went straight into your bleeding heart has scared you forever?
Like they did it last year.
Raja Faisal,
Like they did it
your
last
police
year.
was going into, your police started tweeting last night. Why did the Karachi police tweet? Why did the Karachi police say, please put your lights off?
Give me 2 minutes.
Why did the Karachi police call everyone and say, please put your lights off, the Indians are coming?
What's the mess about it?
Why did they do that?
What's the
I
fuss
want to
about
know,
it?
why did the Karachi police, why did the Karachi Power Administration
Tell
inform
your law
everybody
to
that because of a
monitor other
potential
things as
Chinese
well for
attack,
Pakistan.
Indian attack, lights will be switched off to keep people in
Tell
Karachi
your
safe?
law to monitor Chinese.
But
as
why
well.
did you do that?
Tell
I
them
want to
monitor
know.
them.
Gaurav, don't we want
Tell
to
them
know?
to monitor Chinese.
No.
Because
Arnab,
that's
Gaurav, why did
Arnab, I
they
just
do
want to sort out this man on the screen.
Monitor Chinese.
अर्नब इसको ना राजा को डोज देना बहुत जरूरी है वरना आई विल गो बैक होम डिससैटिस्फाइड बिकॉज मैं राजा का मुंडन करने वाला हूं अभी ऑन नेशनल टीवी नाउ राजा लिसन टू मी यू कीप ऑन स्क्रीमिंग अबाउट अभिनंदन सुनो मेरी बात सुनो राजा तुम जलील होने वाले हो मेरी बात सुनो राजा फिर मूड खराब हो जाएगा मेरा देखो ऐसा नहीं चुपचाप जलील हो जाओ ये जो तुम चाइना करते हो ना अपने किराए के अब्बू के ऊपर कि चाइना के क्या क्यों नहीं करते खुद तुम्हारी औकात 2 रुपए की नहीं है यू कीप ऑन टॉकिंग अबाउट चाइना लाइक चाइना इज योर सरोगेट फादर लेट चाइना विल सॉर्ट आउट चाइना सेपरेटली वी आर सॉर्टिंग आउट चाइना नाउ एज फार एज अभिनंदन इज कंसर्न्ड लेट मी टेल यू अभिनंदन स्टोरी ही केम इनसाइड पाकिस्तान तुम्हारा एक प्लेन ठोका नीचे गिरा पैराशूट से सुनो तुम्हारी कप चाय पी तुम्हारे यहां चाय पी उसने तुमने उसको नया सूट सिलवा के दिया ब्लू रंग का और तुम उसको वाघा बॉर्डर छोड़कर आए ये अभिनंदन की कहानी है अरे बुजदिल आदमी तुम उसको सी ऑफ करने आए थे डोंट शेक योर फिंगर एट मी Abhinandan had your happiness inside your borders. That F-16 plane that fell down, that F-16 plane of Pakistan that was shot down, where are your 2 pilots? The 2 pilots are missing. Because your people killed one pilot. The Pakistani villagers, हैं तो पूरे जाहिल पूरा मुल्क. They killed their own pilot. They thought he was Indian. They killed their own pilot. And now you're saying Abhinandan. Abhinandan तो चाय पी कर आया. तुमने उसको नया सूट सिलवा के दिया. And see off करके आया बागा border. 27 फरवरी 27 फरवरी क्या
No, they overreact. Naseem Siddiqui, my question to you is, Gaurav, 1 minute please. Naseem Siddiqui, I would like you to come into the debate with GVL Narasimha Rao. Can you tell us why you are living in fear 24/7? Because you are a spineless nation. See, General Bajwa has taken control of your government. A dozen former, current and military officials are in prominent government roles. You are in panic all the time. And Imran Khan, your Prime Minister, he is such a besharam, shameless man. He says, India is going to attack us. We are going to be threatened with a false flag operation. Does any self-respecting head of government, which he is not, say things like this on public forums? Naseem Siddiqui, aren't you ashamed of what you have become? Your Prime Minister on Twitter is saying India is going to attack us with a false flag operation. India is threatening us. If you're feeling threatened, it's your problem. Don't show it. You should not reveal it.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much, Arnab.
No, why does your Prime Minister reveal his fear? Why does he?
Just listen to me now if you have put your question. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much. And I am very much happy that you guys, Pakistan is a nightmare for you guys.
Why was Karachi in blackout last night?
All the time. Listen to me.
Why did Karachi go into a blackout last night? Why did Wajahat Khan say, I hope India is not going to attack us? Why?
Why you cowards try to attack in the dark?
We didn't try to attack you. You're freaking out. Man, you're so funny. You're such a bunch of jokers. Gaurav is saying now we try to attack you. Nobody's attacking you. We are having some night games. Gaurav, we admit it. Gaurav, admission ho gayi Naseem Siddiqui ki.
Arnab, nobody attacked them. They saw their own jets. They saw their own Pakistan Air Force jets. They got scared that the Indian Air Force is coming. They switched off their own lights. And now you're saying we are attacking in darkness. Arey bhai, we never came there. You guys got scared seeing your own jets. And I wonder what your jets were doing, patrolling Karachi at night.
You need not to talk. Sit in the talk show. We have taught you a lesson.
अरे सर कपिल शो छोड़ दो आप बड़े फैन हो जी कपिल शर्मा के आप ये बताओ we never attacked you why did you get scared
dare to come to Pakistan
इसको अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं being scared of one's own shadow you are afraid of your own shadow that is the fear that the Indian Air Force has in your mind
Naseem Siddiqui listen
Abhinandan करते
one minute GVL Narasimha Rao Naseem Siddiqui GVL Narasimha Rao will respond to you I want to assure you one thing listen Naseem Siddiqui you listen to me 1 minute Naseem Siddiqui, you can listen to me, no? Can you hear me? Is my audio coming through you?
Yeah, I can hear you.
गौरव आर्या ये हमारे जो फेमस एक्टर थे ना राजकुमार उनकी लाइन क्या थी आपको याद है गौरव किस लाइन के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ हम आपको मारेंगे जरूर मारेंगे हम आपको मारेंगे जरूर मारेंगे
वक्त भी हमारा होगा बिल्कुल
गौरव what was the complete line Gaurav they are saying
I think he said Arnab that He said, जानी हम तुम्हें मारेंगे और जरूर मारेंगे लेकिन वक्त भी हमारा होगा और जगह भी हमारी होगी और something to that effect
something else भी हमारी होगी now Naseem Siddiqui is saying to you Gaurav one minute GVL Narasimha Rao Naseem Siddiqui is saying why did you try to attack us last night Arey listen to me Naseem listen Naseem most Indians being fed a good dinner unlike you who are having locust biryani right went to sleep last night while they were worried that we are attacking them. GVL, will you tell him he's so scared even now he won't sleep tonight thinking we're going to attack him tonight? Tell him.
No, many of them look so fresh. They seem to have slept through the day so that they can remain awake tonight. I can see many of their fresh faces. So coming to the question, when did Pakistan speak the truth? Who in Pakistan ever spoke truth? Prime Minister Imran Khan claimed that he claimed no surgical strikes happened. But Imran Khan always, he claimed that we will take revenge. If surgical strikes did not happen, what revenge or what avenge were you talking about?
Big lesson.
I think we have one thing that you must have known. People of India and people of Pakistan have noticed in the last 6 years now. We have called the bluff of Pakistan.
In Ladakh,
we have called the bluff of Pakistan. Think of India. Think of Pakistan before 2014. How they used to blackmail India.
Before.
How they would make Manmohan Singh nervous. How they would make the Indian establishment nervous by making all kinds of grandiose statements. Today Pakistan is shivering.
And we'll show you what.
And I would be surprised if some of them really leave Karachi to live in a faraway city.
What would you say that?
I think that's what we have done. We put fear in their minds. It's
good. You're trying to divert the attention of
you must fear. Because you're indulging in, you're exporting terror. You are not being a natural, you're not being a decent neighbor.
Shamed country.
You are performing the role of a terrorist outfit.
You're a failed country. And
the line is.
Come on. Who's calling?
The line is. Gaurav, the line I have got now.
You need to get your brain set.
Gaurav, the line is, आप इसको deliver करेंगे. Because in the context Wing Commander Praful Bakshi of Pakistan switching off the lights in Karachi last night, and all the journalists of Pakistan like Wajad Khan saying, "Kahin marenge to nahi, kahin attack to nahi karenge, switch off Pakistan Karachi power." You see, it's expressed well in a line, Gaurav. Wing Commander Praful Bakshi, the line is, "Jani, हम तुम्हें मारेंगे, you can deliver it better, और ज़रूर मारेंगे, लेकिन वो बंदूक भी हमारी होगी, गोली भी हमारी होगी और वक्त भी हमारा होगा."
हम तुम्हें मारेंगे,
बिल्कुल.
Actually,
And there's another Rajkumar line I'd like to dedicate to you. Raja Faisal is freaked out. Raja Faisal, why are you freaked? Raja Faisal and Wing Commander.
If they had not given this Twitters, then they would have been denying it today. They would have been denying that Indian Air Force didn't fly at all. They will be suspecting. They will be telling that Indians are telling a lie. There were no sorties.
अभी you see, Gaurav,
since they gave the Twitter,
Gaurav, इनकी हालत इतनी बदतर है.
The cat out of the bag.
Gaurav, इतनी हालत इतनी बदतर है कि इंडिया के बड़े फिल्म स्टार के डायलॉग को भी चोरी कर रहे हैं ये चप्पल चोर. Now the question is, there's another line of our famous beloved Rajkumar that I want to dedicate to the Pakistanis who switched off the lights in Karachi last night.
Is it a Bollywood show?
I'll tell you a line. The line is, हम तुम्हें वो मौत देंगे जो ना तो किसी कानून की किताब में लिखी होगी और ना ही कभी किसी मुजरिम ने सोची होगी. You understand? Now tell me, Mona, tell me one thing. Mona, listen. Mona, listen. The Rafales have not even arrived yet. The Rafales have not even arrived yet, and you've switched off the lights in Karachi. What will you do when the Rafales arrive? When our 4.5 generation Rafale jets come in and all your combat aircraft become sitting ducks for us, what are you going to do then? You see, already I'll tell you how scared you are. Gaurav Arya said, I'm in touch with Baloch freedom fighters, and you started burning his effigies in Karachi. What's happening to Karachi?
Don't tell me this. Don't try to jump the gun on us.
I'm not jumping the gun. I'm saying you're quivering in your boots because our Sukhois are... No, why did you switch off? Gaurav.
Make you spook out of your seats.
Gaurav Zara Raja.
Isn't it?
Gaurav, the last session I dedicate to you. Sir, you don't switch off your lights tonight.
155 mm Bofors. Top बैठी है. गौरव तोप बैठी है सर. गौरव यहाँ से फायर करेगा, सीधा गिरेगा इस्लामाबाद में, घर के बगल में. हाँ, अब सुनिए मेरी बात. ब्रिगेडियर साहब, आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूँ, कल जब जेट्स हवा में थे और कराची में ब्लैकआउट हो गया था, ब्रिगेडियर साहब आप कहाँ पे थे? सर, बाइज्जत आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, उस वक्त आप कहाँ पे थे? आप कहाँ पे थे सर? सर, प्लीज टेल मी. सर, वजाद खान का ट्वीट है, वजाद खान लिखता है इंडियन हाई कमिश्नर को टैग करके,
प्लीज
क्लैरिफाई करें कि आपने अटैक तो नहीं कर दिया. और ये ब्लू टिक हैंडल है, ये ब्लू टिक हैंडल है वजाद खान का, जो आपका टॉप जर्नलिस्ट है. वजाद खान का ब्लू टिक हैंडल ये कहता है इंडियन हाई कमिश्नर इन इस्लामाबाद को कि जनाब आप क्लैरिफाई करें कि इंडिया ने अटैक तो नहीं कर दिया। अब मैं आपसे ये पूछता हूं ब्रिगेडियर साहब, जब रात को लाइट चली गई थी और आप लोगों के कान में फाइटर जेट्स की आवाजें आ रही थी, सर आप कहां पे थे उस वक्त? आप ये बताएं, उस वक्त आपकी क्या पोजीशन थी? सर आपने लाइंग पोजीशन ले रखी थी कि कौन सी पोजीशन ले रखी थी आपने? ये बताएं सर, आपने हैड यू टेकन लाइंग पोजीशन? मैं विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट सर, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, आप सीनियर हैं, मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूं
नसीम सिद्दीकी
आप कहां थे उस वक्त?
Everyone saw it. It's such a joke.
और ये तो
What a clownish country.
मोना आलम जी ये कह रही है कि मैं तो कराची की रहने वाली हूं। आप कराची की रहने वाली हैं लेकिन अभी तो इस्लामाबाद में है। कराची में जब भी बत्ती गुल होती है आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है क्या कि मैं वहां पे, मैं कराची की रहने वाली हूं? आई वॉज बॉर्न इन कराची। तो क्या हुआ, मैंने रात के 2 बजे बत्ती जाएगी, आपकी फैमिली फोन करेगी कि बेटा यहाँ पे बत्ती चली गई?
राजा फैसल is responding. Raja Faisal.
I want to know what the people in Karachi were doing. I want to know this.
Raja Faisal. Raja.
Of course I'm a hitman. Of course I'm a hitman. It's not a problem. It's an honor. I am a hammer.
You are hitman.
I am a hammer and I'm used to smash people. Of course. Not just a hitman.
You know,
I am a hammer. I am a big hammer. I am a big hammer.
You know, Raja Faisal. Raja Faisal. When you spoke about hammers, I'll tell you one thing, and I dedicate this to you. Since we're having a good time on the program with Bollywood Lines, I dedicate a song to you, Raja Faisal. Raja Faisal. Raja Faisal. You know, Raja, I dedicate a song to you tonight. I never do it on the program. But since you spoke about hammers, Gaurav, my last dedication to you tonight. Remember that song?
Yeah.
I'd rather be a hammer than a nail. Yes, I would, if I could. You're the nail, we're the hammers. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I'd rather be a hammer than a nail, ladies and gentlemen. The Pakistanis sleep well tonight. We'll come another time and find